50 kilograms vacuum metal granulating machine. A vacuum environment with added argon gas minimizes oxidation in the process of metal melting and casting. If induction heating, rapid melting, the highest temperature can reach 1,600 degrees. Complete one batch within 30 minutes. With electromagnetic stirring, the granules is more uniform. Complete self-diagnosis, low failure rate. Easy to remove pelletizing barrel. Produce flawless grains. Fast casting, smooth and poreless granules. Uniform color, high density.
Subscribe to me.